Let's talk about searching for articles in the library collections. This is a search platform that allows you to search all library databases at once. This includes articles, including peer-reviewed magazine and newspaper, books, print and ebook, and streaming video. Let's start by using the Search the Library Collection search box located at the top of the library homepage. Use keyword search terms that best describe your research topic. Keep those terms broad in order to capture more information at the start of your search. And here are our results. So results are based on relevance, on the keywords that we used. Since we are going to focus on searching for an article, we will demonstrate how to use the Refine Result tools found on the left column. At the top, we have availability. What we want to do is select Available Online and apply filters. The next thing we can do is we can limit by date. For most assignments on campus, the faculty will ask that you limit it to the last 10 years. So we can actually type in 2014, click on Refine, and it'll limit all of our articles on the right-hand side to articles that have been published within the last 10 years. We have the ability to limit by resource types. So we have articles, newsletter articles, magazine articles, and a variety of other resources that are available based on our keyword search. Let's just limit by articles at this point and apply filters. If you notice up at the top, we have the option to reset our filters. That will take us back to our original list and allow us to do another search for maybe another resource such as a book or ebook. Now let's focus on the actual articles themselves and the resources available within them. I'm going to click on the title of the first article. Here we have a detailed list of information about this particular article, including the title, the authors, and that it's a peer-reviewed article. It tells me where I can get full text availability and which database it's coming from. Underneath that, it has the details of where it was found, what the subject areas that it falls within, as well as the description area. Notice as well, we also have the option of citation. When I click on that, it automatically goes to APA 7. Here we have the computer-generated citation for this particular article. Always get in the habit of double-checking your APA citations using the library's database on citations. The reason why is because it's computer generated, there may be mistakes in this citation that you may not notice unless you actually delve into the actual citation itself. All right, so let's take a look at the actual article. I'm going to click on, under View Online, EBSCOhost Academic Search Premier. Here we have the full text article, provides an information about the abstract. This is a research peer-reviewed study. It has the introduction and all of the bits of information that are necessary to read through this particular article, including the conclusion and the list of references where they found their information from. Notice that each database has different options, including citation options, printing options, and folder options. Get familiar with each one of the databases, as these options tend to be in different places within their database. This concludes our article search session. If you have any questions, please reach out to the library staff for further assistance.